Does anyone need a checkup?
I'll test your reflexes.
Who wants their reflexes checked? Anyone feeling down? Come and see me.
My test will heals what ails ya. T. Tituaire. Ink. Fast. Uh-oh. Hoops. Do it faster next time. Too slow.
Hit the circle.
That's the wrong one.
Try again.
All done. Good job. That was fast. Whoa.
First try.
Everything looks good. The test results are indisputable. The test results conclude that you are healthy. What?
Your session's not over yet. I just need to finish your test. Get back here.
This won't hurt a bit. Don't be afraid of my hammer. Where'd you go? Oh. This will look bad on my Asam. You're gonna make me cry. See?
That wasn't so bad.